There's a definite connection between sinus problems and coughing. I had a coughing session this morning. Couldn't stop it. So I said, you know what I'm going to try? I am going to blow my nose. I did that and I got a lot of mucus out of my nose. The coughing stopped. The mucus is irritating my throat. Later on, I got another coughing spell. I said, I'm going to try this again. I went and blew my nose, cleared my nose out. Coughing stopped. So there's a definite connection. That dripping sinus and coughing. So that is my new technique. Every time I feel that cough come on and it doesn't stop, I'm going to blow my nose and hopefully stop it right there.